Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change fan speed on any graphics card. So let me show you the steps you could follow. So what you have to do is, the first one is if you are using nvidia, so use MSI Afterburner or nvidia's own control panel and uh, like go to the browser and launch the appropriate software for your graphics card. And then if you are using AMD, after Bona, navigate to the settings, then select the fan option at the top, followed by the enable user defined software, automatic fan control, and then adjust the fan speed. Drag the slider to set the desired fan speed. Adjust the fan speed based on GPU temperature or load by dragging the nodes in the fan curve. And change if you're using AMD, change the main fan speed and target fan speed slider values to set a desired GPU fan speed, and click on apply changes. There are some important considerations you can follow. That is overclocking. So if you are overclocking your graphics card, you may need to adjust fan speed to maintain optimal temperatures. Higher fan speed can lead to increased noise levels, and ensure your GPU is not overheating and adjust fan speeds accordingly. So yeah, these are the things we needed to show you in order to change fan speed of your GPU. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.